The kids are at home with Michelle. It feels weird, huh, baby? It feels weird without the kids. So we're going to the Palengke. We're gonna get some fruit and maybe later buy some crispy pata for New Year's Eve.
Pansit lang.
Pansit? Okay.
Crispy pata.
So we are walking to the Palengke because we don't have a car. And then our e-bike just messed up yesterday. Arlene wanted to walk all the way to the Palengke, but I'm not walking to the Palengke. This is... Whoa, look at that. We're gonna take the tricycle to the Palengke. Mio!
Date kami ngayon.
Lunch date. Get one of these tricycles.
Palengke. Thank you, sir.
First time in a long time that we've been on a tricycle together, alone, without the kids. Oh wow, that'd be a good video right here. Got something going on over here. Just following Arlene. I should probably just give you my wallet, huh?
Tapos po daw, kantan po. Isang libalo.
Ano po?
Get some veggies for some pancit tonight, guys, for New Year's Eve. It's hot out here too, guys. Very hot. Let me hold that. Pork? Yeah, pork. Oh, chicken. All right. Next place. I wonder if they're gonna do fireworks out here. But fireworks, I think, is illegal here, right? How many eggs are you buying, man?
15.
15 eggs. They're sweating a little bit. These aircon. There's our eggs, baby.
50 pesos.
That's it? Get some cantaloupe. But you can get some tangerine. Maybe get some tangerine for Fifi. Got some cantaloupe, melon, dragon fruit, apples, pears, tangerines. You have enough money for all that?
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, kasama. Ah, tama. Ayan pala. Diba pala?
More fruit?
Hindi natin. 35 na.
35 isa?
35 na.
Isa?
35. Get two. 2 kiwis. Ooh, it's windy.
250 po lahat.
Kuya, pili na ano, pili na.
Ay, saluyot kayo.
Ay, wala saluyot. Pili pa noon.
Maybe we spent more than 2K? Not yet. We're looking for leche flan, guys. Leche flan. Flan. Oh, there's some leche flan right here. Right here.
Ano to ba?
Kasama po. 120 po. 90 lang po dyan.
What is that?
Kasama.
We'll try it. So we got cassava cake, leche flan.
120 lang.
You gonna try that? Chocolate? New Year's Eve, guys. You got it? Oh, okay.
Kasi, rice.
Getting fruits and vegetables. Cilantro. And I think that's it, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Yay! Happy New Year! That's it, guys.